What's up guys, welcome back to our channel How to Guide. Today, in this video, we're gonna learn about how to save money in Slack. So, in Slack, saving money is all about choosing the best plans, for discounts, choosing the right options, and many more. So, what you're gonna do is, let's look up after the plan. So, just go to your profile over here, and then uh, just click on three dots and go to your account setting. Let it load, guys. So this is your account. So over here on top bar, you'll be having options of plans, workspace, health, lunch, and many more. So just go with the plans, and you'll be having the options about pro, business, enterprises. So just choose one of the following and choose and go for the perfect plan that you need, which shows some best options, count, and all. So that's pretty much, guys. That's how you save money in Slack. So thank you for watching our video, guys. I hope this video is helpful for you. So like our video, please leave a like. Do not forget to subscribe our channel. And also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. And also comment for more reviews and more contents like this. See you guys again.